Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yatruku to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل مضارع present tense. فعل مضارع present continuous tense. A فعل مضارع. This is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about something happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called فعل مضارع. The question is, how do we change the verb yatruku to suit the pronouns below? Yatruku simply means he is living or he lives. The question is, how do we now change the verb yatruku to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb yatruku to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach hamza and attach alifun. So the verb yatruku will now become atruku, which means I am living or I live. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb yatruku to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. The verb yatruku will now become natruku, which means we are living or we live. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we now change the verb yatruku to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. The verb yatruku will now become tatruku, which means you are living or you live. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we now change the verb yatruku to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach yaun and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that yaun is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yatruku will now become tatrukina, which means you are living or you live. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb yatruku to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and to attach ta'un. So the verb yatruku will now become tatruku, which means she lives or she is living. You can only use this to talk about a single female person. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and ya'un to talk about a single male person. Talking about them doesn't mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic. That means something has happened or something is happening. Manfiyun, this is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something has not happened or something is not happening. For instance, wahid, number one. Yatruku, he lives. La yatruku, he doesn't live. Ithnan, number two. Natruku, tatruku, you live or she lives. La tatruku, she doesn't live. Thalatha, number three. Atruku, I live. La atruku, I don't live. Arba, number four. Natruku, we live. La natruku, we don't live. Khamsa, number five. Tatruku, you live. La tatruku, you don't live. Sita, number six. Tatrukina, tatrukina, you live. Talking to a single female person. La tatrukina, la tatrukina, you don't live. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. Aina yatruku Khalidun mirsamahu. Aina yatruku Khalidun mirsamahu. Aina yatruku Khalid. Where does Khalid live? mirsamahu, his pencil. Now the answer. Yatrukuhu fil fasil. Yatrukuhu fil fasil. He leaves it inside the classroom. Yatrukuhu fil fasil. He leaves it inside the classroom. Ithnan, number 2. أين تترك زينب القرة? أين تترك زينب القرة? Where does Zainab leave the ball? Now the answer. تتركها في الملعب. تتركها في الملعب. She leaves it at the playground. تتركها في الملعب. She leaves it at the playground. Remember, so if what we are talking about is mu'annas, feminine, you use her to represent it as a pronoun. But if what we are talking about is muzakkar, masculine, you use who to represent it as a pronoun. As we have it in yatrukuhu, who for mirsam, and tatrukuha, ha for al-qurra to ball. ثلاثة, number 3. So أين تترك الإبريق يا أخي? أين تترك الإبريق? Where do you leave the kettle يا أخي, my brother? Now the answer. أتركه في المسجد. أتركه في المسجد. I leave it in the mosque. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أربعة, number 4. أين تتركين سيارة يا أختي؟ أين تتركين سيارة يا أختي؟ أين تتركين سيارة? Where do you leave the car يا أختي, my sister? Now the answer. أتركها في محطة البنزين. أتركها في محطة البنزين. أتركها, I leave it في محطة البنزين, at the filling station. خمسة, number 5. أين تتركان المقعد؟ أين تتركان المقعد? Where do you both leave the bench? Talking to Hashim and Khalid. Now the answer. نتركه في الخارج. نتركه في الخارج. We leave it outside. ستة, number 6. أين تتركون الضيف يا إخوة؟ أين تتركون الضيف يا إخوة؟ أين تتركون الضيف? Where will you all leave the visitor? يا إخوة, brothers. Now the answer. نتركه في غرفة الجلوس. نتركه في غرفة الجلوس. نتركه, we will leave him في غرفة الجلوس, in the sitting room. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبعة, number 7. أين تتركن البنت يا أخوات؟ أين تتركن البنت يا أخوات؟ أين تتركن البنت? Where will you all leave the girl? يا أخوات, sisters. أين تتركن البنت? Where will you all leave the girl? يا أخوات, sisters. Now the answer. نتركها في الغرفة. نتركها في الغرفة. We will leave her inside the room. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between madin past tense and mudari'un present tense. Wahid, number 1. Huwa, he. Taraka, he left or he has left. Yatruku, he leaves or he is leaving. Ithnan, number 2. Here, she. Tarakat, she left or she has left. Tatruku, she leaves or she is leaving. Thalatha, number 3. Ana, I. Taraktu, I left or I have left. Atruku, I leave or I am leaving. Arba'a, number 4. Nahanu, we. Tarakna, we left or we have left. Natruku, we leave or we are leaving. Khamsa, number 5. Anta, you. Talking to a single male person. Tarakta, you left or you have left. Tatruku, you leave or you are leaving. Sita, number 6. Anti, you. Talking to a single female person. Tarakti, you left or you have left. Tatrukina, you leave or you are leaving. Sab'a, number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Taraktum, you all left or you have all left. Tatrukuna, you all leave or you are all leaving. Thamaniya, number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Taraktunna, you all left or you have all left. Taturukna, taturukna, you all live or you are all living. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clip and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.